we'll do it today then.
Hey guys, how are you? Yeah, so you are welcome. This is Ghana. This morning. Today is Wednesday, and we are trying to go to the market and buy some foodstuffs and cook because welcome to Task Pro Media. Stay tuned as we enter into the market and show you few stuff about Ghanaian market. So this filling station is closer, is just by the market, and this is the entrance of the market. The market has about four major entrances, and this is one. And here is the Reliance. Yeah, so Taz was looking for me. He didn't know I've already started. I have already started talking and interviewing people.
Yeah, talk to them.
Yeah, so.
But make sure it's English though.
It's in English. It's in English.
You know what happened to me just now?
No.
When we were talking, then the phone ring. I had my money in my pockets. I took the phone out. I was talking.
Then the money fell down.
When I was looking out to spend, there's no money. I just took it from the bank. When I ran back to the car, I thought it was outside. The money was on this car seat. When I pulled the phone out.
Okay.
So we thank God.
Yeah, better. So we are, like I said, let me say, last day for Taz to leave back to UK, right? So we are going to the market to just
shopping at the market.
To shop,
so we want
and
to
then
get some
cook.
chicken as well, yeah?
And chicken, yeah. So we'll show you a little bit in the market, Winneba Market.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
You know. So we go and buy the fish at the meat first.
Yo.
Hey, this man knows everybody here.
See? Hey, you don't mind me?
No.
Look at this
My
boy.
first ball.
Yeah?
My first ball.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you get to know Taz?
At Estate.
Yeah.
Estate.
You know me long time. Look at this. He looking fine. This boy doing well. So you're working?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm around.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
I'll come there.
Yes, sir. I'm around, yeah? Alright.
So you see, Taz is a popular man. Everybody
This is my
knows.
area. This is my town. This is my town. This is how we live. With the locals here.
He knows everybody. Everybody knows him.
Yeah.
You'll be hearing people shouting Taz,
Yes.
as if he's an assemblyman.
Are we going to the market or are we coming here first?
We are going to the market. We are going to buy the meat first. Right? So, yeah, see another person calling you.
And you see? Listen, round here I can't walk.
He's like an assemblyman.
So you can see that this is not a pretense. Everyone that will be around here. Policemen, people, everybody.
Everybody. You know? I don't know. How did you do that? How did you do that? How were you able to win the public interest?
Remember, I'm a people's person. I'm a world citizen. And don't ask me if I'm a Ghanian, because they won't know. But I'm a world citizen because I do music. You know, I'm on the radio station here. Even the director for the radio station just called me in the car just now. You understand?
Yeah.
For the radio station, I do radio in Ghana, I do radio in the UK.
Yeah.
So because of that and music, and I know a lot of people, so you know, people always know me.
People always know.
Because
They shout your name, Taz everywhere. Even me, that I am a citizen. I am an indigenous in this town. I don't get those calls. People shout my name. Why do you get? Yeah, so you have told us all that has made you popular in Ghana.
Look. We'll show you something. She didn't see me yet. Look.
Your friend.
Good morning.
Madam.
How are you?
Abome.
Jamnado.
Good. Wait, she don't work no more. She married now, so
Oh, they have closed the area. I've Palm Junction Hospital.
Oh, Palm. Okay. Yeah. So you okay?
I'm okay.
Good to see you.
The same to
I'm
you.
still around.
I've missed you.
Hey, I miss you too.
You don't look for us.
Hey, don't say that. Okay.
Hey, sorry.
Where are you going?
I'm just going in the market. I'm going to get something small to chop. Yeah? So I'm around. All right.
Taz is so popular. I don't know why. I keep asking him.
Where's Tupac? Tupac still there?
Who?
Tupac.
Yeah.
I went there. Just greet him small.
Okay, then let me introduce you to the guy that will be typing your.
Okay.
So much. So we are entering the market.
Yeah.
I already told you that the market has four main gates all around, and the first one I showed you is the one, and this is the two. So we are entering from the second gate.
Today's not even a market day, it's busy.
Yeah. It's not. Yesterday was market day actually, but today is just a normal day. Okay.
You don't remember.
Yeah. Hello. Eto akoko. We are sure now. We are sure. Video. To eto akoko. So na shey.
Yeah, wait.
Does. Which type do you want?
What type do you have?
What type She has type hard, soft, medium. You have hard, soft, medium.
Hard, soft, medium. What's
Yeah,
that?
you see the type.
Yeah.
They have the one that is already soft. When you cook, it doesn't take long and it's soft. They have the one that is hard, depending on what you are using it for, right? But he is just frying it, right? Just fine. So we need soft. Come again. 44 cedis for a pound. She said, "Hey, for chomo." What's that? Means, oh, please don't take video of
It's
me.
very fine. It's very fine. So
Yeah, so
show me the one you're gonna do. Which one?
the soft one.
Yeah. That's the soft one.
And this is how much?
So why is it soft? Is it pre-cooked or?
No, it's not pre-cooked. You know, please explain to us why is this soft and we have hard and we have the medium.
What's
Why?
the difference? Why?
Okay, the broilers. You know, we have female, male, and all of them. They have the nature of how the skin, the thigh tastes, either hard or soft. I'm American nine. So this is the soft. When you are cooking soup,
Yeah.
you know it takes long. So that one you need the hard one, so that they will be in there for a long. And it gets soft
In
eventually.
Jamaica we call it yard fowl.
Okay.
Yard fowl. Yard fowl is the one that grow in the yard,
Okay.
not the one that's in the cage.
Okay.
One in the cage is a soft one. The
Okay.
one in the yard is hard.
Then I think that's the best explanation. For me, I didn't know either.
Yeah,
She doesn't
that's
have any
different.
idea.
The one that grow, you will see them in the yard. Those ones are hard. You understand? So
Yeah, so we are getting the software.
So
Our-
I need where's the leg thigh? This is only leg. No. This is leg. I want both. The other part I go with leg and thigh. Hip,
I'll pay full, you know. Other thing.
but that's just leg.
Yeah. Okay. So we are buying the chicken.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yes, this is the one.
See? Which one is this one? Soft, hard, soft.
How many pounds? 1.5. No, 1.25.
So how much is that?
How much is that?
I need more than that.
We need more than that. What is your name? What is your name? What's your name? Today we are buying all your meat. See
Oh, you
man.
want football?
No.
I'm buying ice. It's full with ice.
Yes, full with ice. By the time we get home, they will just
It's string.
yeah. Hey, Akwaba. Akwaba. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are buying half.
So that's the half.
Wahai. Hila.
Hello.
Yeah, Hila. This is our customer.
She's happy.
Yeah, she's happy. She's smiling. We are born. Meti asma bakachem. I don't know point the coastal shop. Yes. Today the enjoyment to go to. Yeah, I'll go to chat. So man, that was better than mine. Also, Sana catch it. Oh, no, more like it so. Oh, you mean you call friendly man or friend coffee? Or friend me now.
Wait. So say 18.
Taz is also ready to pay.
Yeah. You see this money here?
Yes.
This money is my money.
Yes.
Me, Nana Akofudu. Money.
Nana says what?
No. Sikampedede. The money love noise. The money enjoy noise.
Money doesn't love noise. That's Ghana president's slogan.
Yeah. In other words, suffer and keep quiet. Keep quiet and suffer. Money keep quiet. So you say if you speak, money won't come.
Yeah, if you speak, if you cry, the money will not come. Don't cry. Yeah, so there is also here telling the woman what she's supposed to do.
Don't mind Darius.
Yeah. And her boss also says that I shouldn't mind. Cry. Wow. Our businesswoman.
This woman take all my money. Hey, she take everything.
What do you say?
Say something.
Say something. All our money.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Watch her and say it. What do you say? Thank you. She said thank you. We are done. Let's go. That's what are we eating? Tomatoes. Vegetables. Let's go.
She gonna get
Hey, they are going. Oh, we ought to do it. I'm so come on, customer. I don't know. For so long, I'm now getting someone to shout my name. Hello, but as everybody is shouting his name. Hello. Says. In fact, first one here. Oh, bro. Mommy. Yeah, now I'm getting accolades. Yeah, Abia. Oh, when to high? Huh? When to high? Any customer? Abe. Guy be.
What's on you? On my. I want to say. Hey. Yeah, that one, baby.
I still have all the stuff you bought the other day now. I don't need anything. You just get the coconut. You're gonna get coconut. Yeah, and the bread. You say you want bread, Charlie?
Then let's go and buy it from here. You got a pan? The coconut already. Coconut now. Then let's go and buy the bread. She also go. Not say besha and share. Can't see a friend and the door to Kubin. Into Tana calls, I could try or whatever.
Getting something from Madame.
Let's go.
But tomorrow, my mom leaving tomorrow, so that's why I didn't want to go anywhere today. So she's gonna get in whatever she gets there.
So everybody knows you in the market.
Yeah.
So everybody knows you in the market.
So
even in the market, everybody
so that's
knows
it. You just want the bread and that's it.
The way the woman mentioned your name, Taz, he's not in. I'm surprised. Eh? Taz is what?
We're talking about the right one.
He's our friend.
Long time friend. I don't understand why everybody is shouting his name on the streets, in the market, everywhere.
He's a feeling guy, that's why.
He's what?
That's the right one. You want the yellow one?
You hear that?
Okay, alright then. Alright.
Taz is busy on the phone and I'm also worrying him.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I call it
He's
for.
a feeling guy.
Want to be your friend.
That's what the market woman says. This is serious.
Just to tell
When a market woman says he's a feeling guy, that means this man he has a place in their heart. Yeah, he buys stuff. He's a customer, a good customer. Alright, so we are here to get bread. A fresh bread from a fresh store, a wonderful store. I'm here with Taz.
You know what?
What are you getting here?
I'm getting some bread for my brother, but I don't eat bread, so
You don't eat bread.
no. So I'll get it for him.
This is the bread boutique.
Yeah.
Hello, madam. How are you?
Thank you.
Your name?
Rita.
Rita. Where are we?
Okay, you are in Winnipeg now.
What's the name of the shop?
Is Let God Be God.
Let God be God.
Yeah.
What's the name?
What? Let God be God.
Is the name of the shop?
Yes.
You know, in Africa they have some proper name. Let God be God.
Yes.
I've never heard a name like that. Let God be God.
So let God. So it's even on the bread. You could see.
Oh.
Let God be God.
See.
Bakery.
Yeah.
So what type of bread do we have
Okay,
here?
we have butter, sugar, and then wheat bread.
Which one are you getting?
Let's
Butter,
come this way.
butter, sugar, and wheat.
I think I'll take this one. This is what this
This
is.
wheat bread.
Yeah. And this is.
This sugar.
I'll stay far from sugar. This one is.
Butter bread.
But okay. So even though it's not for me, but I would not give them sugar. How
Yeah.
much?
That all will be 30 cedis.
30 cedis. How did you know this is 30? You are modern.
See, this one is 20,
Okay,
and this one is 10.
it's 10.
And what does it say here?
Ghana.
Oh. You know.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Madasi.
thank you.
Madasi.
I mean, sure.
Yeah, me sure.
Apote.
I'm fine, thank you.
Apote.
I'm not from here, so.
Oh, you're not from here?
So you see, you are in the land of a futu.
Yes, I was
And-
speaking.
and-
Okay, let's try something else. What's today?
Yamanago.
See, that one is French. She know that one. But apote.
Well, I understand what you say. I understand the language, but just I can't speak the language.
Okay, more bole. Bole. That's the answer. Bole.
Bole.
Apote. So the full thing would say, I would say apote echime.
Yeah.
The same thing.
Yes.
They say bole.
Yeah. Apote, that one is from O2 group. Senior, but the people say
Echime, yeah. Echime. Pute echime. They say
You
bole.
see, there's a question I want to ask you. You are in a futu land, and how does it feel teaching someone who is a Ghanaian
It feels
her
good.
own language?
It feels good because guess what? You know my name, Nana Teche. Teche. Nana Teche. You will get the history on that one later. But that's
All right, nice having you,
Thank you.
and we'll come back again some
All
other
right.
time. All right.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Yes, that's from the bread. Let God be God.
Let God be God. That's a different name.
Yeah, Let God be God Bakery. Yeah. So we are still closer to the market, and we have already seen the first gate and then the second gate. So we are going through the third gate.
How many gates is market have?
The market has 4 gates.
Okay.
4 gates. And I showed them the first gate. That is closer to the Reliance petrol station.
Okay.
And then we use the second gate. Now this is the third gate. You see, so every gate there are people inside and outside. This is how it is. Hey, someone is shouting your name over there. This man.
You see, everywhere I go, somebody know me.
He's popular.
Yeah, man. Listen.
Yes, every day we go outside.
It's a virgin.
Hey, brother.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Serious.
Daybreak in Ghana.
Yes, man.
We there, yeah. We there, yeah.
Yeah,
We there, yeah.
man. Yeah, man. I'm interactive.
He's saying everywhere I go, they know me.
Yeah, man.
I don't understand how he became popular in Winnipeg, and everywhere he goes, everybody shouting his name. Taz.
Superstar is always a superstar. Yeah, man. AMG.
Yes.
AMG be AMG.
Yes.
You see? Yeah, man. So that's the brand.
This is my brethren for years, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Years. It's not today.
Yeah, man. A joking thing. Yeah,
Not
man.
joke thing. You
Another
understand?
baby last replica.
Yeah, not joke thing.
No. I'm not joking. I'm a
Serious
realist.
Yes.
Master.
I come to your place, they say you're not there.
Yeah, man.
You're just coming. Okay. We're going there now. Yeah?
Big man.
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you. We'll meet again, bro. Hey.
Hey!
Even taxi drivers.
Back. Yeah, man. You're welcome.
Bye. This guy is popular. He's really popular. You can
That
see.
one, his name is God's Time.
Yeah, gas time.
God's Time.
Gas time.
Yes.
So we are entering through the third gate, and
So it's everywhere we go.
everybody knows you. This is my sister. This is my sister.
Hey, I'm scared. You see that face too straight.
Yeah, she's a nice person.
She is?
Yes.
Okay. I know. Hey, what's that?
Hey, yeah. How are you? Yes, she's the market woman. Yeah, tell me you read. Oh, Obasamba. Eze. Yeah, yeah, so you see, we are in the market.
Yeah.
Let's show you around.
Back to the market, you get the real food.
Yeah.
The real deal.
Yeah.
You want to check madam?
You want? She's here.
Where?
Your friend is here. She's here. Also, background no alcohol.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm blessed. What about you?
I'm fine.
Taz knows every woman in the market.
Yes.
Why?
Yes, because I know that they know me. You know? Everywhere I go.
Speak your Futu. Now these people they can speak their Futu.
Oh, you sure?
Yes.
They can manage?
They are pure Futu.
I put the instrument.
Oh, wait.
Bobo.
I never tell. This man is popular than me in my own town. Kakanka. Opodos, this is our citizen now. Or your co-bankers and
Yes.
Wow.
I'm a local boy.
Yeah.
Local guy.
Yes. I'm no more outside. Yeah, I'm here. Yes. Tell her my name.
This is our friend Nana Techi.
Nana Techi.
Techi.
Nana Techi.
From which place?
A friend. Nana Techi or him Wahadi was simple. But of course, I settled down or call. Always what's your tribe?
In Jamaica?
No, here.
Go on. So I'm a gun boy.
Yeah. And I teach no call Jamaica walk a car and new story.
He's the one that went to Jamaica and started the rebellion.
Yeah.
Fight.
Time of slave trade no cordon.
They took him there and he started to fight. And then the Caribbean.
Yeah.
So
now his name is Nana Techi.
You have come to Ghana or Winnipeg 3 times. And I'm your daughter-in-law.
Yes.
I've been coming. You didn't even buy me coffee or
Oh.
spray.
I don't see you. The last time I come here, last time I come here, she wasn't even here.
No.
Yeah.
You have not. I'm here. I'm around. If you give to my sister.
Then when you come again.
Yeah. Tell her.
I'm your daughter. What are you doing?
Tell her in the photo when I come again. Yeah, tell her.
You speak in English. I understand.
No, in photo. That's my language. That's my local language. You know when I go to.
Oh, even the class. Nice shades.
Yeah. I'll do.
Yeah.
has a car.
Mommy coming soon anyway.
Mine will come. Okay.
She was busy this time, so she couldn't come. But she did.
How's my husband now?
That boy. You see how your brother talk? The boy is big now. He's a man.
Yes.
He's all big.
Wow.
He's 18. Big boy.
He's a big man now. We'll come back.
All right.
Bye bye. Yeah, so the popular man in market. Hello. Yeah, so my sister I'm in the market. We're in the market. I want to see someone will shout your name again.
Yeah, once I get there, you will see. When I get to the front.
Yeah, we want to see. Black Kwame, yeah, now me to have fans. Black Kwame, yeah. You see my fans. Yes. Nani.
Oh, they say nanny. Again, it wasn't nanny.
Nyani. Nani.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is Nyani. Yes. Inside with number buckets.
Not easy.
It's not easy.
Where's madam?
She's. Stay quiet.
Hey, where is she?
Stay quiet. Watch on you. On your.
Is that not even ready? It's not even ready.
Yes, today we have.
They're not ready. But it's sauce up. But they're not ready.
Yeah. Maybe she'll have one that. But she's coming. You see some here.
Yeah, they're hard. They're not ready.
Yeah.
But she told me to come back, but I couldn't come. Hey!
Stay quiet.
Hey!
Your main customer is coming.
I'm telling you, she don't mind me. Hey!
Oh, it's
Boko.
Yeah, it's Voodoo.
Listen, I put that. What you say?
You are now learning the language.
Yes. I'm from here.
Hey. Where did they born you? Here.
I'm from here.
Tell her your name. Tell her your
Let
name.
me show you. She don't.
So what?
See, his name.
Tell her Ochin.
Ochin? What did she say?
Tomorrow come and Ochima so tomorrow I'll come and buy.
Okay.
Ochin.
Ochin. Yeah, me Ochin.
Ma Bochin.
What is that?
I'll come tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, me sure.
Say hello to your new friend.
Oh, today? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Where's
Darius is already there waiting. So now we are done with our market tour. What do you
plantain?
Plantain.
The yellow one.
Then let's go inside.
Because Charlie said you
Come.
wanted the yellow.
Yeah,
The yellow.
come. So we are left with one thing to get, which is plantain, the ripe one. So I'm taking Taz to a place where he can get a ripe plantain. You see for yourself, market, Uniba market. Now we have entered the market. Look at this lady. Look at this lady. No, I'm trying to show me. Maybe I.
There was some up there.
Yeah, some is here.
The yellow one, yeah.
So it's bombing away. So when you're greeting somebody in the city, you say, Mopo, now.
Mopo, Mono.
Men now, or you can even remove them. Mopo, just say, men away.
Okay, this guy. You see, anywhere that I am, they find me. Look at me, boy.
I am.
You see, I'm looking here. Yeah? Respect.
Shut
He's one of the original. I know him.
Yes.
You're good. Yes. I'm on respect.
How did you know Taz?
Oh, my man, maybe original man.
Original man.
From Jamaica.
How do you feel? What will you say about him?
Oh, I wish him long life and prosperity. And he be always whatever they do, make you do him big.
Yeah.
Be more blessing.
What be your name?
I'm a Shito Park.
Shito Park.
Yeah.
Original. Yeah, man. Bless up.
This is a body cocoon. How much are you buying?
Depends on, I see how much you sell it.
What are you know, Ashishan? So 20 and 10. The bigger ones are 20.
Give me 20.
So we are buying ripe plantain for Mama Charlie. We are buying 20 cedis.
And this is 100 cedis.
This is 100 cedis. You can buy a lot.
Money plenty.
Plenty.
Scam
PDD.
Hey.
Yeah, oh, so she added 2 more.
Yeah, talk first. She added. That's it.
Also, that's it. If you can have anything. Oh, you go for car. Let's go.
Hey, you want me to leave my money? This boy, don't mind him.
Scam PDD. But scam PDD Taz.
I'm going to find out what that is. The rice that she get, I didn't like it.
So you want to buy new rice?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with. Yeah, we can get some from the other shops. So we are leaving. Right here. This is my sister. We live in the same house.
Yeah?
Yes. Okay. She lives in the same house with me. So I'm her landlord.
You come round.
I'm a this. Yeah, Mofi. Me there. Martin. She said she will visit me this evening.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey, will you visit me or not? Will you visit me or not, Mama? Eba, my boy abo na mama so. My boy abo na bim. Yeah. Yeah. We are back to the outing gate. Now we are leaving. Yeah. This is the market.
So easy.
Yeah. But honestly speaking, I am so happy for you that everybody in Winneba knows you. Yeah. You are still gathering love on the streets.
If today was market day, you see a big difference.
Yes,
Maybe more.
Yes. Yesterday was a market day.
Yes, if I was there yesterday, you will see.
So we are out now. We are out.
Watch your toes.
We are out. This Mazu.
Oh yeah.
Adam. Yeah. There's more love on the streets of Winneba. More love on the streets of Winneba. That's what you were saying something.
That man start chasing. Let me give him 10 seeds.
Yes.
You chase me across the land.
Blah.
See, you chase me everywhere I go.
Taz, a major friend.
I give him 20.
Yes. Taz and friends. Taz and friends. He's always gathering love for himself.
If I don't give that boy, he will worry me all the way down. You see, he already start going through it.
Yes, you have to pay your bills. So it's not easy out here. This is Winneba. We are done with our market tour. We got some few stuff for ourselves.
And the thing is, Emma, yeah, you have some people, they come from outside, and they come here talking about they want to be Ghanian citizens, but they don't know no one know them.
Nobody.
You understand?
Yes.
They could not walk through a town.
No.
And people call you by name.
Yes. In fact, you are blessed. I'm so happy
understand?
for you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy
Nobody
for you.
know them.
I'm so happy for you for the fact that everybody knows you, even in the market.
But even earlier,
you will never go hungry.
Driving, somebody called me.
Yes.
Oh, I just saw you.
I just saw
I'm
you.
coming to your house.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
They don't understand.
So it's good that you have already gathered that kind of mass.
That's why I should be a Ghanaian, because everybody know me.
You are a Ghanaian.
Culture. The only one I don't mind is this girl. Don't mind her. This guy.
Hey.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you for staying tuned with us through our market tour. We are done. We are going back home. Hope that we show you our food when we are done. We are having a nice party at home, so you join us on the flip side, okay? Ciao.
This boy don't mind.
Hey folks, we are not done. Oh. I told you we are done, but we are not. We are buying sugar cane.
That's gonna be.
We are buying sugar cane. This man can worry. Hey sis, what's name? Adumu. Yeah, so we are here to buy sugar cane.
Big.
What is that?
It says the last time you were passing,
It was
you were big sugar cane. You didn't buy that one.
Oh.
So now that she doesn't have big
That
ones,
one
she
is
has
still
slim
like
ones.
Ibrahim.
Now you will come.
That is still Ibrahim.
That's slim.
Yeah. You should also cacao man. He said you are his father.
Yeah? I've been buying for years.
And the ladies advertising that it's slim but very nice.
Yeah? I always pass and buy for her. For long, when we just come.
You like it?
I like them.
For me, okay, thank you.
I'll take the one in the middle.
There's also a promotion with him.
This one. Where I'm inside.
Promotion fees. That's check. That one.
The next, the middle. That, yeah, that one, no, that one. That's small. I don't need more. I don't need one, but they're small, so this boy taking man. I'll just take that one. Then I have to swap this one for that one, yeah. That one. Just them two.
Tunai.
How much for that?
Well, 14. 14 cities. So we bought sugarcane.
Yeah.
Only we say I'm telling her that she know that you are learning the language, the futu. You know, hey, that's a chief language. That's a dialect. She's a pure futu woman.
I put her to me.
We are put it to me.
Hey,
Oh, what then?
you remind me. So that's our chief language.
My first dialect.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know this woman been selling, this lady been selling sugar cane for us for years, over 4 years.
Yes.
And we always come here, always stop here and
She
get.
started long time ago.
Long time, she did this long time.
Yeah.
See? Look at Doris, enjoying. Normally she don't eat that. Eh? Look at her enjoy. She don't even know how to eat it. Look. And you say you're a Ghanian. You don't even know anything. She says she's African. So, this is my bongo cane.
Yeah. Can I ask? He's asking you, are you a fancy?
Yes.
Good. Go on.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a Guan.
You all we are Guans. We parents all are
Go on.
Guans.
Yeah.
And he's called Nanatechi.
Are you from Winneba? Which house?
Nanatechi's house.
Jahazi. Oh, that is your Winneba. Thank you. Hey, Jahazi.
Yeah.
Oh. Are you for the chief house?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, no, I'm telling you.
Dabi.
What did you say?
He asked if I resemble somebody to you.
You resemble someone I know.
Oh.
Okay, we meet again.
Yes, sir.
See you.
I mean, sure.
You are perfect. You are so clever. I'm going to you push on.
You push out. You push out.
You push on.
Hey.
You miss out.
Yes, sir. This is my you.
Yeah, so that's it. It's all fun here. It's all fun. How you manage to get a man smile and laugh?
Hey, this Winneba boy.
Yeah.
Eh? Go on, boy.
Yeah, Guan.
Go on, boy.
He told you all Winniberans are Guans. All right, thanks. That's it.
It's funny.
Yeah,
when
it's
people,
funny.
when they hear you speak their language, they love it.
They love it, yeah, of course.
And it's the same thing when we hear people speak the patois, Jamaican. Yeah.
You feel happy.
Yeah,
you
we
feel
laugh.
proud.
Yeah, we like, hey.
Yes, you know my language.
Yeah. Policeman stopped me the other night. He said, Rusty, Wagwan. He only know that part. So
Yes.
I said, team officer.
Me there.
So he was, hey. He said, when I say Wagwan, you supposed to respond is, me there. Just like you say, what today?
Yeah.
I say,
Oh yeah.
Aboko. Yeah, it's a respond.
Yeah.
Me there. I'm a good. Everything good.
Everything good.
Yes. So he was happy. So, yeah, man. I'm learning the language.
Yes. So we are off to the house
We're going home now.
to enjoy our meal.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for staying tuned. And this is Task Pro Media. Subscribe, comment, and share.
If you love content like this, please
Yes.
subscribe.
And I'm still
Subscribe.
enjoying my sugar cane.
Hey, don't mind her. Don't mind her. You will listen. When last you eat a sugar cane? Probably about 10 years ago.
I'm telling you.
And she live here all the time. She don't eat these things.
Yeah, so, and if you are now watching Akasem, subscribe and share and like.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
There's are you a TikToker? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, she's a TikToker. What's your TikTok account name? Tell us your TikTok account.
No, I'm not a content creator.
Okay, you're not a content creator. She's not a content creator. She's just having
You're not
fun.
content creator?
No.
She's just having
I
fun.
always see you on there creating content.
No, it's not a content.
What is it?
It's not a content. I'm just like doing
It's still a content. Still content.
Is that
Yes.
all a content?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anything you
post
do
there,
one day, what you put is content.
It's content.
I see you look at yourself.
She doesn't know.
Doris is like this.
Yeah.
That's
she's-
content.
She's always
Yes.
she wants to look good.
I'm just happy. No, not a content.
You always want to look good to your viewers.
Don't mind that.
You are sending something to you are sending some signals
That's content, yeah.
to your viewers, so that's a content.
Yeah. The people like your video.
People like
Exactly. It's content.
content.
It's content. Hey.
Yeah, she's a content creator, so follow her on which account?
You are blessed. I'm a one.
Hey. So you heard how she said it. We are blessed. Number one.
Number one.
Yeah.
Hey.
So kindly follow her.
Hey, Ima, we put her to number 10.
Yeah. So
we remove you from number 1.
thank you. Like we said, subscribe, comment, and share.
Yes.
If you like content like this. This is Stars Pro Media.
And this is the boy that I don't write my script. I don't do any other thing. If I make mistake, it's fine.
Yes.
It's fine.
Pardon us. We all make mistakes.
Yes, that's how it is. We don't
Mistake is
correct
part
it.
of human being. So.
Yes, we don't correct
Hello. Yeah. So stay tuned. I will show you when we are done cooking. Okay.
Yes. And Ima,
Yeah.
please, thank you, my brother. You've been a brother
Thank
for
you.
a long time.
Thank you, sir.
You know, and I have a lot of respect and love and respect for you.
Thank you,
as
sir.
my brother, because
You're always
you've been,
welcome.
You've been very helpful to us since we've been in Ghana.
Ever
Likewise, this one, the content creator.
The content.
Yeah, she's been very good to us as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, I want to take this time to shout you out
Yeah.
and say thank you. You know, thank you. And Yamisha.
Sure.
Yeah,
Amen.
Yamisha.
Amen.
So, you know, for helping us since we've been in Ghana.
Yes.
And, you know, it's been a blessing so far, and there's more to come.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. In fact, you have also you and your entire family and your
We appreciate
colleagues.
you,
We appreciate
for
you
watching
because you have been a blessing to us ever
Yes.
since we met you.
We can
Yes.
never forget you.
Never. You're always welcome.
Bless you, man. Bless
we
you.
We
Bless
open
you.
our
Lion, you
hearts.
forget me.
We open our hearts and our arms, everything that we have to welcome you because you guys are wonderful.
And bless up baby last, yeah?
Yeah.
That boy.
It's not a joke
It's
in
not
a
a joke.
Zongo road. You're not joking in a Zongo lane.
Bless
Yeah,
up,
so
bless up, bless
shout
up.
out to you. Thank you, Taz, for everything that you guys have been doing. You guys have a wonderful family and we love you. That's why we always want to do more.
Yeah, man.
More.
Respect.
You want to say something to Taz?
I don't have anything. What I would say is God bless this man and his wife.
Yes.
They have done so many things to God bless them so much.
So many. That's why
the
you are
content
loved.
creator.
That's why you are loved by the people in Winneba. You see, the market women said a lot, and I don't need to say anything.
Did you see that boy? The street boy.
Yeah.
He came there. The one that came there and I give him the money.
Yeah.
He was surprised.
That one.
Yes.
You know, he always would lie and sometimes he walk and
Yes. They were just messing up.
He
turned a different. He stopped all those things that he was doing.
yeah, you could see. He looked much better.
The last time myself, I gave him money because I saw that he has changed.
Yeah, man,
And
you could
he's
see.
trying to do something good for himself.
Yeah.
So somebody like that, you need support so that he doesn't go back.
That's why when I saw him, I was like, what? I give him money
Yeah.
straight away.
And the amount you gave him was surprising. Even to me myself, I was like, you have killed this guy today.
Yeah.
The whole day.
Yeah.
He's going to enjoy.
Yeah, because you know why? The reason why I give him, he was one of the first guy that came to the shop to clean it.
Okay.
When we did the shop.
Okay.
So it's not like I just know him on this. It was when they were doing the work.
Yeah.
And Ernest complete the shop. There was dust.
Mm-hmm.
The same time when Baby Lass I think even before Baby Last. He was the first one.
Okay.
So he came there and, but what he did something I didn't like. He cleaned the dust, you know the dust, the wood dust. And then he took the small wood. Okay. The small piece.
Yeah.
So I was looking for the small piece. So I said to him, so where's the small piece? He said, oh, he took it. I said, but you didn't ask me.
Yeah.
So I didn't like that. He took it without asking.
Yeah.
So he went and bring it. Wherever he bring it.
Yeah.
And he was apologizing, you know.
Yeah.
And he never came back. So that said something for me because straight away he just say, you know what, I don't want no problem. So he just stay away. So sometimes I see me walk on the other side. And I kind of felt bad, but I didn't feel bad. It's not like I needed the wood. It's just that you don't come to the premises and because he was saying he didn't think I wanted that.
Yeah.
I said I don't want it. It's the fact that you have to ask.
Yes.
You can't just
one
come.
thing about I like the fact that you were having this testimony about him because for me I know him because I'm an indigenous person.
Yeah.
And we all grew up together. He's somebody that he's a bit shy type.
Yeah.
He doesn't like disgrace.
He don't like it.
He doesn't like it.
That's why I said he didn't come back.
Yes. And growing up with him, I know that about him. He doesn't want trouble.
Yeah.
He always wants to stay out from trouble. Even though he was at certain point he was doing drugs.
Yeah.
And it was taking him somewhere that he doesn't like.
Yeah.
So that's why he even decided to stop.
Yeah.
Because he meets people, he meets some of his colleagues and they are like, why do you have to allow yourself go into that? So he's always having that mind, okay, let me change.
Yeah.
That's why he was able to go back and bring you the wood and never step foot there.
Yeah, he never come back.
Because he wouldn't want to have any disgrace. He doesn't want to come there and then it will be that, okay, he's like those type of boys that they come there, take things without your knowledge or without your consent.
Yeah. So that's why even just now, because I mean I see him pass, but he never come back. He always pass on the other side. So that's why today when he greet me and I give him money, it was like surprise. Because he probably think I don't like him we never have a conversation since then. So that's why I look at him and I give him the 50.
So today is a reunion.
Yeah. I mean even look at Lion. Look what Lion did. And the other day Darius was there. And he came.
For that guy who come.
He come and he was saying to the guy,
1,000 times.
This is my father. I said,
talking as if nothing has happened.
I said, I said, I'm not your father. I said, this boy. I said, I had so much respect.
He has short memories. I said, you have forgotten about it. Anyways. Yeah.
Because you could see he feels bad because he was just, even when I was insulting him, he was just laughing.
1,000 people survivor.
That's what he said. Hey. I said, listen, what you did that, I said, I won't bring it up, but you know, I saw you on the road dying. And he was just laughing. He didn't say anything. And I said to him, then the woman, you see the woman, remember the woman had the man by his neck. There's a woman had my so I said to him,
you were fighting?
Yeah, the woman had the man like this on the road, on the fence. So I said to Lion, what happened there? He said, that man is not correct. He's a landlord. So he's a landlord, so look like he's spoil the woman money or some money. So the woman want that money.
The man pay so that you do he didn't do the work.
So
it has been weeks and that's why the woman catch me, hold him down. When I do my work, or give me my money.
See where we are. Jahati.
They spell it about 10 different ways.
Yeah. But you see, this one is different from the one we said. But this is the correct spelling.
Yeah, with the IE.
Yes, this is the correct spelling.
Yeah. See? Jahati.
Yeah.
And then they have Jahati. Jahati. Without
this person, some people get wrong in their spellings.
But even the sign coming in, welcome to Jahati.
Yes.
It don't spell with the I.
Yeah, they are wrong.
You understand? But I know it's with the I.
Yes, it's with the I.
You know?
IE.
Yeah, IE.
Yeah.
So they just put the Z.
We live in.
Yeah.
Guys, so food has already started. Hey. Yes. Bossman, what are you cooking?
Food.
What food?
Kenke. We do fufu. And that's it.
Yeah, so
Jamaican food.
Doris is cooking rice. Doris.
Cook rice. Darius can cooking the rice. The stove is cooking the rice.
So who is doing it now? Who is doing?
Me.
Who is Charlie? Let's say from no Ghanian. Yeah, so we are in the kitchen. Everything is here. We have our vegetables here. We have our
chicken.
We have our fish. Yeah, red fish.
You are the blogger.
In Jamaica we say put the camera here. In Jamaica we say snapper, red snapper. We don't say red fish, we say red snapper, because that's a snapper. Yeah.
Oh, okay, snapper, red snapper.
So I'm doing brown stew chicken.
Yeah. Hey, madam. Oh, so what?
Hey, when you talk about Jamaican videos, speak
English.
No, I'm telling you.
Yeah, we are here.
Yeah, so speak patois.
What I'm wearing is no big.
Hi.
I'm wearing
What is? Are you naked?
Yeah, she's not comfortable, so that's good. That's good. At least you know. I'll get you arrested.
Yeah, the meat is also cooking. You see, garnishing for the vanishing.
That is for the vanishing. This is.
And Taz is enjoying orange.
You know, one thing I realized here, yeah? People here in Ghana, they don't like fruits, they don't like vegetables. I don't know why.
We'll go out and ask them.
Yeah?
We'll ask them out there. They will tell you fruit is expensive here.
Fruit expensive?
Yeah, am I lying? Hey.
You are a Ghanaian, ask yourself. Do you like taking?
No, for me, I take fruit. When you come to my room,
Me too, I take
even
fruit.
have fruit as at now. But for per my own experience with other people,
It's not everybody
they will
that's
tell
like.
you that no, in Winneba,
Yeah.
fruits are cheap.
Yeah.
But
When we go Kaswa,
Accra,
Come
it's
back.
It's a lot.
because they don't go there. But
Those
for-
ones in Accra are clean, that's why they're expensive. These ones
Yeah, it's clean.
they're mud. They're dirty. So they don't wash
Yes.
they don't wash the mud from it. So that's why.
But even yesterday, what you buy here, like 5 CD, you buy in Accra.
This is all my
10 CD.
seasoning. So
Yes.
it's a lot. And
Please, this is not part of the seasoning.
hey, you will go to heaven.
Yes.
This one is good. I'm gonna bring this back. You see this one? I'll bring this back to the UK because the insects there are not used to this one. This one, you see? It's a heaven. So you will go into the kingdom of God when you take this one. So it's good.
After they are dead, they
Yeah,
go
so
to
I had to get rid of a lot of my seasoning because the heat and then you know the insects start to come in.
no one is here eating it. So,
Yeah, so
yeah.
I had to get see even those.
Yeah.
But look,
Hey, rice. There's rice there.
where the rice is bulgur. Bulgur.
This is what?
This is honey.
Wow.
This is raw honey. Yeah. So
Really?
I have to bring back every time I come.
You forget it.
No, I don't forget. I can't bring out. So I just throw some. I have to bring some small till.
Yeah.
See, look.
Yeah.
See?
Okay.
This is pure honey.
Pure.
So I have 2 big bottles. So every time I come, I take some.
All these things will spoil. These things or it will spoil.
Yeah.
Let me see the date. Our chef is done.
Yeah.
Such a wonderful food. And it tastes good. This is mine. Thank you, sir.